Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. First, it's important to know you don't verify Bitcoin itself. You verify your Cash App account to enable Bitcoin transactions. Without verification, you won't be able to deposit or withdraw Bitcoin. Steps to verify. Open Cash App and tap the Money tab at the bottom left. Select Bitcoin and scroll down to find Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, phone number, and the last four digits of your social security number. Once verified, you'll be able to buy, deposit, and withdraw Bitcoin through Cash App. And that's it. That's how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.